Hello, my name is Bing, and today our group is presenting the poster of our project. Firstly, I'm talking about the project purpose and justification. The strategy for this project is encourage active and healthy lifestyle through accessible public facilities and community initiatives. The output is building a new public bus transport system that can access to all areas in Koala City. The two outcomes of the bus system include reducing the number of private transportation and making people walk to the bus stations and from the station to other destinations. Therefore, the benefits are reducing emission from the personal vehicles, hence minimize air pollution and people are more active, and from that it increases resistance as well as encourage active and healthy lifestyle respectively. The second part is high-level project description. There is bus transport system, which is called Koala bus system, that provides various routes to every area in Koala City. A huge number of bus and stops will be built and provided in order to make the system be more convenient for traveling. This system is aimed to be the main transportation not only for the citizens but also the tourists. Therefore, a large amount of personal vehicle will be decreased, and this action will help reducing the air pollution, bringing the environment to more positive change. Moreover, by using the bus system as the main transportation, people will be more active by walking between bus station and other destinations. Koala bus system is a public facility that brings a better solution for the environment, for citizens' health, as well as encourages people having an active and healthy lifestyle.
Hi, I'm Jessie and I'm continuing by presenting about the high-level project and risk. The first requirement includes public finances and public subsidies as a combination of national, state, and local funding to efficiently build infrastructures will often be required from cities. Besides, public subsidies is also necessary to cover operational costs. Secondly, high frequency and reliable services should be provided. With different frequencies, the bus network can be divided into main roads and local roads. Bus routes on major city arteries and roads used to travel further will require a regular service, at least every 15 minutes. This minimum frequency may help visitors effectively when they turn up without having to consult a schedule beforehand. The third one is taking advantage from new technology. In this digital age, it is completely possible for transit agencies to make their services more modern and easier to use. Therefore, the creation of a unique application that allows users to know the bus parking and departure times as well as precisely planning their journey is vital. The app also can collect data about user experience while using the service, thereby reducing operating costs. In terms of high-level risk, there are construction risks which involve design changes and unforeseen weather conditions during the construction phase that lead to time delay and cost overrun. The next one is operating risk or can be called force majeure risk, consisting of fire, earthquake, or diseases and other political elements like strike and industrial disturbances that impair the project's availability to earn revenue. In this case, the private insurer is possibly supportive but still have to face the likely need to restructure the project. Lastly, the possibility of safety risk may also arise, such as collapse in construction, poor visibility while operating mobile construction machinery, and accidents can also occur when the machine turns over or fails during operation. Next is Angela with the project scope, duration, and budget.
I'm Ipu and I'll be talking about the project scope, project duration, and the project budget. The project of implementing a new public transport system in Koala City will consist of bus systems which will cover up the city area, main attractions, and the coastal area. For the bus routes, the Koala bus system KBS will be based on 4 bus terminals, which one of them will be located at the local airport. From these 4 locations, there will be a total of 6 different bus systems which will take a different route around the city, which 4 of them will roam around the city area, and the other 2 will be long routes, which are the airport link route and the coastal route. The 4 zone buses C1, C2, C3, and C4 will get service consisting of 6 buses each and will be running in their own designated smaller areas of the town. The Airport Link bus, which is the bus number 1, will give its service and start and end at the airport terminal and Terminal A. The route will include several different sections of the city, including the coastal region, mountain area, and the city center, consisting of 14 buses in total. The Coastal Link route, which is bus number 2, is aimed for transportation of the tourists and will provide transportation service within the different beach areas, the mountain areas, which will allow the tourists to travel from one place to another with ease, and it will consist of 8 buses in total. The infrastructure will include 2 factors, terminals and bus stops. The different terminals will consist of ticket counter, waiting area, seatings, vending machines, toilet, and a convenience store. The bus stops will include seats, digital bus timing boards, and selective stops will include vending machines and KPS top-up machines. There are a total of 42 buses that are going to be in service of Koala bus system, and about the payment system, the KPS will work with cashless payment system using KPS smart cards to pay for their transport fees, but there will also be coin box in case the customers have to use cash. The buses will provide wheelchair service for the ease of transport for people with wheelchair to use public transport conveniently. For the project duration, it is estimated to be about 1 year and 7 months, as the planning stage will take around 5 months. The implementing stage, which consists of construction and ordering buses, will take around 8 months. Safety checking stage will take 1 month. Route traffic design stage will take 2 months. Training staff stage will take 1 month, and the last trial stage will take around 2 weeks. The project budget is estimated to be $10,763,500, as the construction is will cost around $5,700,000. The facilities will cost around $1 million. The labor and staff will cost around $750,000, and the buses, which each will cost $69,000, and as we're ordering 42 buses, around $2,898,000 will cost in total.
My name is Dong and I'm going to present the stakeholders analysis matrix of the project named Koala Bus System as to encourage and support active and healthy lifestyle of local people. There are 4 parts in the matrix, and as you can see on the top right side of the project poster, and they are distinguished according to power and interest. The first part I'm going to talk about is the high power and high interest stakeholders, which are state government, material suppliers, contractors, and project managers. They have high power in it because they are directly related to the project and they are responsible for carrying out the project. While the high power and low interest stakeholders include shareholders and residents near bus stations. Residents living near bus stations might be affected by traffic jams. Therefore, when building new bus stations, they should be built considering on factors of traffic and crowd management. The shareholders also have high power in it since they fund the project. And the third part is low power, high interest stakeholders, which are the media, competition for tender, and stakeholder management. Lastly, it is low interest and low power stakeholders, which are local residents, tourists, and emergency services. Although tourists are not yet impacted due to the world's current situation, it will help tourists to travel around the city after the countries are open again.
Hi, I'm Hiển Nhi and I'm going to talk about the communication management plan for the project called Koala Bus System. So for the resident in the community, we have to let them know about the project progress and the awareness. Secondly, for the supplier, we have to discuss with them the delivery schedule. For the government, we have to ask for the construction permit and state the project outcome and benefits to them. And we also have to ask the contractors to provide the building schedule, building structure, cost of material, landscaping, and condition of the area. And for the investor, we have to provide them the financial statement and the business plan. For the project managers, we have to provide them the bus routes plan and the contractor's duty and responsibilities. And asking the nature conservations about the area exploration and understanding is a necessary thing to do. And for the emergency services, we have to ask them about the accident and illness risk.
And for the design company, we have to discuss the interior and exterior design for the stations. And for the potential staff, we have to let them know about the requirements, project mission, and value. And most of the tasks would be conducted monthly to keep up with the project. So that's all for the presentation, and thank you for listening.